Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you sole proprietorship. Meaning of sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship means a business owned, financed and controlled by a single person. I hope you have understood. The owner is called the proprietorship and alone it is responsible for the profit and loss of the business. Okay, so sole proprietorship means uh, business which is controlled and every it is managed by a owner. Only one person is there in sole proprietorship and everything is managed by the owner. Definition of sole proprietorship. Sole trader business is a type of business unit where one person is solely responsible for providing the capital for bearing the risk and the enterprise and for the management of the business. You can also capture a screenshot of this definition if you want to. Features of sole proprietorship. Single ownership, owned by the single person, supplies the total capital from his own wealth or borrowed funds. Okay, so for starting the sole proprietorship, he needs to invest. So from where he can invest from his savings, or he can borrow funds from bank or his friend to start a business. One man control takes the decisions for his business, does not consult anybody. Management and ownership are vested in the same person. One man control means the proprietor has to take his own business. The man or woman who is going to start the business, he have to take the decisions on his own. No legal entity, no separate identity apart from the owner. The business and the owner exist together. Unlimited liability. Personal assets and the property is used in order to repay back the debt. So the property, or if someone cannot pay, so the property and all that is used in the document if to repay the debit. No profit sharing. The sole proprietor alone is entitled to all profits and losses of business. He bears complete risk and there is nobody to share the profit. So, the sole proprietor, if he is the one man, right? So he is responsible for his profit and losses. If he earns every money is of him, every money belongs to him. Okay, every amount of profit belongs to him, and if he brings loss, so the risk on is him. Losses and profit both are dependent on him. Small size. The scale of operation is small. A sole trader can arrange limited funds and manage real activities. So to start a business, it is a very small process to start the business. And he can arrange the limited funds. The trader who want to start the business, he can arrange the limited funds, okay, to start a business. No legal formalities. There are no legal formalities involved in order to start and manage resort. So no legal formalities are involved to start the business or to close the business. Thank you friends for watching.